Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty with your every kind of outfit, like it's Eastern or it's Western. It looked really beautiful with both and enhanced your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this black color heel also looks really nice, a very beautiful V shape from the front and the shiny thing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very nice black color with the silver embellishments on the top that looks really amazing. And as you know, the like these little embellishments on heel makes your heel more amazing and get a big difference in your heel. And this one is also a very pretty black color shiny heel and V shape from the front. And this heel also looks really nice, a very pretty pink color. And as you see, this one is also a very nice blue bow kind of thing on this heel. And this one is also a very nice and pretty red color, a very beautiful kind of shades and colors. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.